Welcome to Comma Capital. In this video, we will see how to make a deposit in your account. Here's how to get started. Simply click My Funds from your portal and select Deposits. To deposit funds into your trading account, there are typically multiple options available, including bank wire transfers, Visa card payments. Select your preferred payment option, then fill in the required information by choosing the MT5 account you wish to deposit with, the payment method, and entering the amount you wish to deposit. Finally, hit Submit. You will be directed to the payment gate. Review the transaction details, enter your payment details, and click Pay Now. That's it! Your payment transaction was initiated and should appear in your account in no time. If you have deposited via bank transfer, please follow these steps to submit your deposit request. Log into your portal and click My Funds. Select Deposit and choose the bank transfer option. Scroll to the bottom of the page and fill in the required details by selecting your MT5 account, uploading deposit proof, entering the transaction reference number and the deposit amount. Now check the box to confirm what I've read, understood, and agreed to deposits and withdrawals policy. Finally, click Submit. Once our team review your information, the money will be deposited into your trading account. Trade like a pro with Comma Capital.